guys, Tiffaninicolle here, and I'm back with another video. Today I will be doing an unboxing for a new company that I'm partnering with by the name of SARAHFLINT. Some of you all may know exactly what SARAHFLINT is, and for those of you all who don't, I'm going to give you just a little bit of background. SARAHFLINT is a luxury shoe line that was created and it's based out of New York City. Just think of your favorite pair of luxury heels with comfort. That's what SARAHFLINT has created. So I am happy to say I'm now a brand ambassador for SARAHFLINT, and I just received my very first pair of shoes. So I'm excited to do an unboxing with you all and give you a review of how they feel and look. So we're gonna do this together. And if you guys enjoy luxury shoes at an affordable price that are comfortable, make sure you stay tuned and watch this video and stick around to the end, because I'll be giving you a coupon code so you can purchase your very own pair. Okay, yeah. So this is how it comes. Very fancy, very pretty. Love the box and the bow. It comes on it. The bow says "Walk like a woman." Super cute. Super cute. And it also looks like it's a card that comes with it. I'm sure this will have all your shipping information in it. So yeah, that's nice as well. So you have your box and the card. Let's talk about the box detail. See right there, there's SF for SARAHFLINT. That is so cute. This definitely looks like a luxury box with a pair of luxury shoes inside. Okay, it's so pretty, I don't want to open it. So I'm gonna open it now. Start from the bottom. Okay, save that. Okay guys, moment of truth. When you open it up, it has a card inside with a quote. It says, "When we say perfect, we meant it. It's all about the details. Turn over to find the way." And then on the back, it has a crafted to perfection card, pretty much telling you all how the shoe was created and put together. And it says, "This particular shoe is a part of the perfect collection," which means it is designed for the ultimate fit, which means it's designed to fit your foot the perfect way. It has memory foam in it, and that's a plus right there. How many pair of luxury shoes do you know that comes with memory foam in it? It's okay to look cute and be comfortable at the same time. It also has an expanded toe box for wide feet, such as mine, built-in arch support, and a slip-resistant sole. All four of those alone, if nothing else makes you want to purchase this shoe, those four things should just alone. I'm gonna read them again. It comes with memory foam, expanded toe box, built-in arch support, and a slip-resistant sole. That's perfect. And it just gives you more information about how you can find more details on SARAHFLINT.com. And it also comes with the card that tells you how the shoe was created and crafted and who was it by. That is really neat. And a little bit more different information on the back. It says the shoe is designed to empower and built to last. Your new pair of SARAHFLINT shoes are handcrafted by the finest Italian artists. At SARAHFLINT, everything is made in Italy, like most luxury shoes are, of course. We believe in construction and high quality material that is made not only for better shoes, but for a better experience. It's so many other luxurious shoes out here that really are pretty for look, but how comfortable are they really? The fact that they were able to create a luxury shoe that's not only beautiful, but comfortable, you can't beat it. It also gives detail about your sizing note, as well as contact information. It has SARAHFLINT, the Instagram account, a hashtag you can use, actually two, hashtag SARAHFLINT and hashtag walk like Sarah, and hashtag walk like a woman. So there's two hashtags you can use. All this information comes inside, and then it also comes with a dust bag. The shoes come in a dust bag. The shoes come in their very own dust bag, again with the SARAHFLINT logo on the front. Each shoe is separate in a dust bag. So let's see what these shoes look like. These are cute sandals. See me, I decided to make my first pair of sandals because I know it's about to be warm for the next couple of months. So we'll get a good amount of use out of these. So they are triple strapped in the front. Very nice nude color. You can wear those with anything. They feel amazing. There is foam right there in the sole. Of course, SARAHFLINT in the inside, another strap in the back. This is a 85 mm. Again, I prefer to wear under 4-inch heels. So this is about a 3.4-inch heel, possibly, give or take. And then at the bottom, you also can see the padding at the bottom, and as well as SARAHFLINT in gold at the bottom, and the shoe size, which is a 41. A 41 for me is a size 10. Again, I am a US 10, and I have these in a 41. They are super cute. I just love that foam in there. And as I mentioned, both shoes come in a dust bag. This is your dust bag, so you can keep them, protect them from wearing down, as well as from any type of dirt or particles flying. So let's take out the other one so we can see both together. Same way, the padding on them. Again, this is the 41 at an 88 mm, which is below 4 inches. It's 3-point-something inches. You can go to the website to see exactly heel heights and which ones will work best for you. So these are the shoes in the back for the height. Here they are on the side, and I will give you a front view as well. And this is them in the front. So cute. I really love the SARAHFLINT, the gold on them. That is really nice. And I'll just hold the shoe up so you can see. I'm excited to wear these. I think they're gonna be really cute. I'm gonna try them on and just insert a clip in here of how they fit me and how I can walk around in them. But again, these are my SARAHFLINT heels, a luxury shoe company based out of New York City. Luxury and comfort combined together. If they were put together with a creation, it would be SARAHFLINT. So thank you again, SARAHFLINT, for these shoes. And you guys, if you are interested in getting a pair of your very own SARAHFLINT shoes, look in the description box down below, and there will be a code for 50% off of your first pair. I'm so excited to wear these, like nude and a sandal. Can't beat them. All right, so you guys, let me know if you have any questions down below in the comments. Again, take advantage of my coupon code for $50 off your first purchase. If you know anyone else who's interested in SARAHFLINT, send them over to my page, have them to follow, like, and subscribe, and also take advantage of my code. Thank you so much, SARAHFLINT, for these shoes, and I cannot wait to wear them. See you guys next time. Bye.